How to activate the Neo credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to activate your Neo credit card, there are two ways to do so. For the step 1, you can head over to the Neo's application and then log in using your credentials. After that, you'll have to access the card management in the app and go to Neo credit card. If your physical card is not yet activated, tap on the Activate Now button and you'll have to provide in details such as card number, expiration date and CVC 3-digit code. Once that is done, confirm button and finalize the activation. Likewise, if you do not want to sign in, you can head over to this Activate Physical Card for Neo by typing it in any of your search bar. Once that is done, this requires your card number, valid through date, CVC number, and the 4-digit PIN. Once this information is verified, your Neo credit card will be activated. So that's it for today's video. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.